Welcome back to another episode of Genetics Concealed. I'm your host, Fabio Deleke, and today's episode will be delving into the fascinating and complex field of genetic engineering, exploring the ethics and arguments that surround this technology. Later on, we'll discuss a groundbreaking gene treatment recently approved in the UK. Before, I used to think that no matter the complications, ethics in genetic engineering should be overlooked. However, a friend opened me up to a new world. Genetic engineering, particularly through CRISPR technology, has opened up unprecedented possibilities for modifying the human genome. The ability to edit genes raises numerous ethical questions that society is grappling with. On one hand, the potential to cure genetic diseases, enhance human traits, and eradicate hereditary conditions is groundbreaking. On the other hand, concerns about unintended consequences, the creation of designer babies, and the long-term impact on the gene pool are ever present. Many argue that genetic engineering holds a promise of eliminating or mitigating hereditary diseases, paving the way for healthier future generations. However, critics express worries about the potential for genetic inequality, where only those who can afford genetic enhancements may benefit, creating a divide in society. Essentially, we return to a system resembling a peerage. Genetically superior humans are much more privileged and favored in society. Remind me of a few Chinese web novels and manhwa that I've read. Now, this is an extremely controversial and complex topic, which would probably need a very lengthy episode to cover even minutely, which will probably be done in the near future, hopefully. Now, let's shift our focus to a monumental development that has recently taken place in the UK. The Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA, has given the green light to the first ever CRISPR-based gene-edited treatment for sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia. This groundbreaking treatment, marketed as Casgevy, I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, was developed collaboratively by Boston-based Vertex Pharmaceuticals and Swiss company CRISPR Therapeutics. Casgevy operates by extracting stem cells from the patient's bone marrow and then editing these cells in a laboratory setting and then reintroducing them into the patient, a process similar to that of bone marrow transplants. Similar to traditional bone marrow transplants, patients undergoing Casgevy treatment must undergo a preparatory phase involving chemotherapy drugs. These drugs are administered to destroy the patient's natural stem cells, paving the way for the introduction of edited stem cells. Although the side effects mirror those experienced by individuals undergoing chemotherapy, patients must remain in the hospital for several weeks to allow their immune system to recover. Initial results have been incredibly promising, with many patients exhibiting no symptoms of their original diseases post-treatment. The edited stem cells gradually replace the defective genes, allowing the patient to produce normal hemoglobin. While the positive outcomes are cause for celebration, it's crucial to recognize the ongoing monitoring efforts by the MHRA as more individuals receive this groundbreaking treatment. The Casgevy gene therapy has undoubtedly opened a new chapter in the field of genetic medicine. Its success in treating disease caused by genetic errors in hemoglobin production marks a significant milestone. However, it also reignites the ethical debate surrounding gene editing technologies. How do you balance the potential curing diseases with the ethical considerations of modifying the human genome? As we witness these rapid advancements, we must collectively navigate the ethical landscape, striving for a delicate balance between scientific progress and responsible innovation. Join us next week as we continue to explore the dynamic world of genetics. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the ever evolving landscape of genetic breakthroughs. Thank you for joining us on Genetics Unsealed. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and I look forward to bringing you another exciting episode soon. This is for the Bumi Adeleke signing off, and Happy New Year.